Word. Facilitator.
Use the negotiator.
Negotiate my focus ass. Now use it.
Indicator. And now, what a queer. What a freak. Damn, you're kicking his ass. Mr. Beast!
And what's that other thing you had? That little fourth thing. That fourth shot thing you had.
Shut up!
I said you kicked ass bitch.
I think you're gonna win.
I don't think so.
Your con!
Gosh, humans.
Kick ass, Mr. Shotgun. Yeah, you died.
Come here, let me squish your head.
You can't kill me, Longbacks. Only I know your true purpose in this galaxy. Only I know your true name. The crime my return is inevitable. Your kind will never be safe. Do you hear me? Never!
Bye, bitch!
He did.
It's about time he's dead.
Looks like something's jammed out the primary reflux coil. I believe it is missing a 3 3/4 centicubic hexagonal washer.
Where did you get that from?
I know.
Jake.
You got it off his head.
Originator, find home!
During the middle of the game, the guy just throws it to me. He's like, hey, we got an extra spare 3 3/4 cubic, whatever. He goes, no, but I'll take it anyway. Alright, dude. She goes to it.
Ratchet, are you alright?
Why don't you all be a drink?
Where are we?
That would suck
We are
so.
home, Ratchet.
Oh, fuck no. I better get my ride now. I'm a facilitator.
You're still all faggot.
Pirate.
This time from the throat. Honestly, how did you ever become the captain of anything?
Such a queer.
Once more, and this time add an inappropriate slur.
You stuffy wench.
I'm gonna need more grog.
Shut up, fat boy.
I am Tachyon, Crown Prince of the Craggy Mate. Fear me and what not? For I will rule the universe.
Die, crack my feet!
Would you two be careful? Crown's head is a microcubit away from popping off.
Do you think he was telling the truth, Clank? About my father? About my purpose?
I detected no lie in his voice, but I believe your purpose has already been fulfilled. You vanquished Tachyon, something even the Lombaxes could not do.
Thanks, Clank.
Get with this shit. It's not over.
Don't look at me. You said it was broken.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Sony!
Sony!
Clank, are these the Zoni?
He's a king of
Bastards.
zombies.
Let him go.
Oh, fucking Sonic.
Yes, time to come with you.
Clank!
Game's only half over.
Fucking Sonic. Chew bags.
That was someone's penis.